So lately, a product called Iron Eraser Rust Spray from Mad Detailing USA has been going viral online, with ads showing rusty wheels and metal surfaces magically turning clean in seconds. But does this spray really work? Or is the marketing making it look more powerful than it actually is? In today's video, we're taking a closer look at what Iron Eraser is designed to do, how it works, and the important warnings buyers should know before spraying it on their vehicle. According to the official website, this product is mainly an iron fallout remover made for automotive detailing. That means it's intended to help remove brake dust, iron particles, and contamination stuck on your car's paint or wheels. When sprayed on the surface, the formula reacts with iron particles and turns purple, which is the chemical reaction many people see in the ads. And yes, for wheel cleaning and surface decontamination, many users say it can be pretty effective. But here's where things get confusing. Some advertisements make it seem like Iron Eraser completely repairs rust damage or permanently removes corrosion. And that's not exactly what this product is built for. If your vehicle already has bubbling paint, deep rust, flaky metal, or corrosion eating through the surface, a spray alone usually won't solve the problem. Professional repair may still require sanding, rust treatment, repainting, or even replacing damaged parts. Another thing users mention is the strong chemical smell. This isn't a simple soap cleaner, so gloves and eye protection are recommended during use. You also should never let the product dry on the surface or spray it onto a hot car sitting in direct sunlight because that could potentially damage finishes or leave residue behind. Some customers online report excellent results on wheels covered in brake dust, while others say they expected miracle rust removal and ended up disappointed. So the biggest thing buyers need to understand is that Iron Eraser works best as a detailing and iron removal product, not as a permanent rust repair solution. If you're dealing with orange contamination spots, dirty rims, or embedded iron particles, it may help restore a cleaner look. But if your car has serious corrosion problems, this probably won't be the magical fix those viral ads promise. Before buying any trending detailing spray online, always read real customer reviews, follow the safety instructions carefully, and understand exactly what the product is designed to do. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.